Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Nailmas day 5. How on earth we're on day 5 already, I just will never understand. We only have 7 days left and then it's Christmas and oh my god, I'm just so not prepared for this time to be going this quickly at all. So yeah, for this nail look on day 5, we're going to be going for this really pretty kind of like raspberry reindeer look. It's a little bit more blingy than some of the looks I've done, but at the same time, it's still quite neutral. It's still nothing too much. It's still very wearable. It's definitely going to be a design that I think my clients are going to be asking for this Christmas time. But yeah, it's really nice. I love the mix of colours. This is a very nude colour that I'm painting on now. This is Your Churn. This is a Buttercream from like ELEGANCE. And it's beautiful. It's like a one coat coverage. This is a really popular colour all year round, not just at Christmas time. So I definitely wanted to try and incorporate this into a Christmas design because it's by far the firm favourite with my clients. I might as well just get rid of all my other colours and just keep Your Churn because it is honestly so popular. So I've painted 2 nails with Your Churn and then the other 3 nails I'm going in with Simmer Down colour gel. This is a newer colour gel and the glitter that I go in with, Jive and Ginger, that is also a newer one, but they're just this really kind of rich autumnally, wintry, cozy raspberry pink colour that I just think is having a little bit of a moment at the minute. And I love the combination of the colours that I've gone with here. It's just, I don't know, there's just something about it that blends really well and just feels very festive. So I'm painting 3 nails with that. I'm using the light Elegance oval brush, painting that on. 2 of the nails I am going to be coating with Jive and Ginger, and then one of them I'm going to be doing kind of half Simmer Down, half Jive and Ginger, just to create a little bit of variety. So this is kind of what it's looking like at the minute. Obviously curing them all in the light Elegance lamp for 60 seconds, and then to apply my glitter I am using the flat brush from light Elegance. It's a really nice one. I always use specific brushes for things, so the flat brushes I always use for my glitter, so I know that I'm never mixing kind of glitter in when I'm trying to do a flat colour. So here you can see me painting on 1 coat. Because I want to keep this nice and thin, I'm doing 1 thin coat and then going in and applying another coat afterwards, curing in between for 60 seconds as normal. So on this finger I'm only going halfway and I'm going to try and get a decent layer on because in a minute I'm going to be going in with some striping tape. I almost couldn't say it then. And it's going to be a rose gold one. It's from Amazon, so I will try and find the link. To be honest with you, I just bought a massive collection of striping tape. I think they were literally like 30 pence, but they're amazing and you get a lot of it and I want to share that with you. So make sure that you check the description for every video because everything is going to be linked down below. So on my middle finger I really wanted to create a reindeer. So on my palette I've just put a little bit of Simmer Down and a little bit of Jive and Ginger as well because I want to create that kind of shiny nose, just really pretty. So I've used a dotting tool. Again, I will link the dotting tools. They were Amazon. They were dirt cheap. Oh, Amazon is great for little nail art supplies like that. Really, it's amazing. So I will leave that link down below. And then I'm taking my, I believe this is the Bestie Brush from ERIN, and I'm just creating little reindeer horns. Again, using that Simmer Down colour. I wanted everything to just blend really nicely. So I'm just playing around, making sure that I am creating lots of little, I don't even know, antlery looking lines, and just taking a clean brush to clean up anything that I wasn't really happy with. Once this design's done, sticking it in the lamp and curing it again. So on this nail I wanted to add some crystals. I'm not really a crystal person. A lot of my clients aren't massive crystal people, but there are a few that go a little bit nutty over crystals. So I definitely wanted to create a design to, you know, include them and give them something to look forward to. So to stick them down I'm using the Evolution gel. This is from IKON.IQ. And it is a really nice gel. It is a soak off gel, but obviously for this purpose we're going to be filing that off later on when we are due for an infill. And I'm using the Swarovski crystals. I'm trying to think what they are. They are blush rose colour. So they're really nice. They're kind of like this rosy colour. but they've almost got like a bit of like a browniness to them, so it's really, really nice for autumnal nails or a set like this for a nice winter set. Again, you saw me putting on that striping tape. Everything's linked down below. I'm going through and just top coating everything, sticking it in the lamp, curing it, 60 seconds, keeping everything nice and easy. And yeah, that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We have lots more coming up, another 7 videos to go, and I will leave a playlist to all the videos that have already been posted. So make sure to subscribe, turn your notifications on, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!